Hello, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I am Brittany. If you haven't been here before, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy it. Now, I know I've been, so a few updates, because I know I've been on kind of a little hiatus for the past couple of months. I have pretty much just spent the summer trying to focus on myself and my personal just needs as a person. Plus, so much has happened altogether. I mean, I got my wisdom teeth out, which was 3 weeks ago, and I'm still kind of struggling with. My mom got married, I guess I should mention that. I got a new job. I've been working on all of those types of things. And I decided it's about time. I was feeling good today. I decided it's about time that I sit down and I film another video for you guys. So today I'm going to focus on doing some eye makeup with you guys. And I think we should just hop right to it and get into it. So I'm gonna put up my hair and do some of just the base stuff. I obviously haven't put on any makeup today, so I haven't done my foundation. I'm sure I'm still using the same makeup that I used filming all my other videos. So I feel like I don't really need to have an introduction for those as much. But let's get started. Okay, sorry, I changed my lighting so I looked a little bit less like a ghost and more like an actual human being. And my camera is about to die. So I'm gonna go charge that and then come right back to you. Okay, now that I am back. Ooh, look at how cute Rev is. Say hi, Rev. And my camera is charged. We're going to actually do it this time. Okay. So I have my concealer and foundation on, and my lotion. That's what I started with. I love the Cetaphil brand. I think that's how you say that word. So I'm aiming for this lighter blue